Verbs in English Lesson 2. Cross. Cross the word. Join. Join the shapes. Find. Find the paragraph. Sing. Sing the song. Point. Point to the plant. Know. Know the alphabet. String. String the bulbs. Fill. Fill in the blanks. Copy. Copy the answer.